What is Imara's broader top-down investment strategy? Hi, I'm Bruce Williamson. I'm the Chief Investment Officer at Imara Asset Management, and I'd like to talk a bit about our top-down investment strategy. At Imara, and so that we don't lose our way, we don't like to get bogged down in daily news. We'd rather take a long-term disciplined approach to our top-down investment strategy. So what we like to do is to look at some really good research that the World Economic Forum puts out. Think Davos. They put out great research, and last year they put out a survey, Global Competitive Index, where 144 companies were ranked. South Africa came 55th out of 144 countries. In the survey, they look at 115 different business and economic criteria and then rank the various countries. It's interesting to note that South Africa was ranked in the top 30% for 40% of those 115 criteria. And yes, as you can imagine, we also did very badly in a number of the other criteria. So where did we do well? South Africa's Johannesburg Stock Exchange was rated number 1 in the world for the 5th consecutive year. We are world class in terms of our auditing, banking, insurance, financial services, nature conservation. We really do well. And as you can imagine, we do badly. The areas that we fall short are typically government delivery, aging infrastructure. And sadly, last year, out of 144 countries, we were placed last in terms of higher education, maths and science. Right, so South Africa is very much a good, the bad and the ugly story. But to put your minds at rest, the opportunities that are there are taken by the incredible business and corporate leaders that we have in this country. So we would like investors to give us money at an early stage. That enables us to spend time identifying these top businessmen. And by the way, over the last 10 to 20 years, we've regularly invested outside of South Africa. And that means that when you look at all the troubles and problems in South Africa, we are not that exposed to these issues. If you give us time, we can identify these top businessmen and build your portfolio accordingly. To summarize our top-down strategy, and I'm particularly talking to the younger people, you would have heard that by investing for long periods in the equity markets, you can generate excess returns. Now, you know that you can't take that when you leave this planet one day. So, my question to you, have you ever seen a hearse pulling a safe? No, you haven't. No one's done that. So what I would urge you to do is to talk to Laura Warburton and our financial service team. They will assist you to put a good long-term investment and estate duty plan in place. Thank you for listening.